Hello everyone, I'm Cynthia, your host for Right Recipe for Travel. Today's video is a highlight of our Disney World trip. The right recipe for this trip includes highlights of Disney's Pop Century Resort and a day at the kiddie pool. This is a Disney budget resort that's cute and quirky with retro decor and vibes. We hop on over to Disney's Animal Kingdom with a few photo ops before watching a quick cavalcade, riding Kilimanjaro safaris, going to Pandora, then off to ride Navi River Journey. We end our day with celebration of the Festival of Lion King, a spectacular show. And stay to the end of the video because Right Recipe for Travel has really big news. Now, let's enjoy the video.
Look everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome Simba, you're right on time. Hey guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's